Hi everybody, Hoosier Green Thumb, and today we're looking at planting garlic and elephant garlic. It's relatively simple. You just need to plant them 4 to 6 inches in the ground, which is about 10 to 15 centimeters, and space them about 8 to 10 inches apart, which is, I believe, like 17 to 22 centimeters. Yeah. I'm gonna correct that right here. So, the first thing you have to do is pick out your garlic. So I use mine that I've grown from the year before. What you're looking for is like a nice fat bulb and no damage. It's pretty simple. So, let's take a look here, what we got. So here, you can see the difference between the elephant garlic and the normal garlic. Just a little bit of difference. So, like these bulbs here, cloves here, I think they look good, whereas something like this, I will leave it. And sometimes I plant them just to have fun, but most of the time I stick to these. Every bulb usually gives me 3 to 6 cloves. That's one big clove. When you think about this is a big garlic clove. This is just one of the elephant garlic. Since I am doing much more, I think I will end up keeping some of the smaller ones. That should be enough. That should be good enough for now. We'll see if it's enough out there, but I have more in reserves if I need to plant more. Now time to get these guys in the ground. That's one thing you got to remember. The root side down, the sprout side up. I didn't mention that earlier, but always remember that. So, getting pretty dark out here. It's not even that late. What do we got here? It's only 5 o'clock, quarter after 5, but I'm losing the daylight. Northern Germany starts to cut you off after the summer solstice. So, we have to make sure this counts. So, now I come in and enter in the planting date next to where they are. 1st of November. only 4 rows. So it seems like I've been out here much longer than that. So, thanks for watching and watching how to plant some garlic. And then we'll see as it comes up over the next weeks and months. And then next year we're going to have it. One reason I like to plant mine in the autumn time is because over winter it will get a good frost, and if it gets a good frost, then it will cause the bulb to split. If you get a bulb that is like, it looks like an onion, especially with the elephant garlic, it looks like an onion, but it's not. It's just a first year bulbal turning into a plant. Put it back in, come back and get it next year. All right. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.